Hello children, Meenakshi Sinha is here with the typical interesting geometrical equations. This is a problem in which we are having two triangles A, B, E and E, D, C, in which AB and CD they are equal, दोनों बराबर है. दो ट्रायंगल है, एक ट्रायंगल ये है, दूसरा ट्रायंगल ये है, इसमें एक आर्म CD इसके बराबर है. And this इसकी ये CE is equal to CE. This is also 3 and EA this is equal to 3. ये दोनों x है और वो दोनों 3 है. ठीक है, ये वाली आर्म इज इक्वल टू दिस आर्म दूसरे ट्राइंगल के. एक्सेप्ट this is also 3 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, ये भी 3 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू DB. लेंथ इज इक्वल and difference between this step is equal to 5. DE is equal to 5. These are the condition we are given. We have to find x is equal to what? x निकाल. ये जो इक्वेशन है that will be for class 11th. Okay? देखिए how can we do it? कैसे सॉल्व करें? इसके अंदर एक फॉर्मूला लगेगा 11th में for application of this formula in which we are having a triangle ABC. In front of angle A, this arm is known as A. In front of angle B, then this arm is B. And in front of angle C, this is angle C. उस केस में, in that case, if it is angle alpha, it is beta, and it is gamma. In that case, we can, this is the formula, ये हमेशा याद रखना चाहिए, that AB square, this is in front of C. C square, this can be written as B square plus A square minus 2 times AB into cos of gamma. ठीक है? A square, this can be written, A square can be written as, this is cos of alpha, so that इसको छोड़ के C square plus B square, C square plus B square minus 2BC in between that angle alpha. Okay. Same B square, this B square arm, this can be written as, this angle is in between A and C, then A square plus C square minus angle in between the 2CA cos of beta. This is cos of alpha, na? Alpha. This is the formula. ये आपको याद होना चाहिए. This should be in your memory. Use of this formula will be helpful in order to find the value of x. Now let us take triangle. Which one? This way we are having x. X is here. We are having two angles. This is CED. CED. Arm is 3 and 5. In between this angle is suppose alpha. इसको alpha मान लिया. In that case, we can write in front of this angle alpha. This is the arm of side x. The length of which is x. इस कोण के सामने वाला भुजा x है. So that we can write that x square, as per this formula, x square, this can be written as in between this 3 and 5. So 3 square plus this arm 5 square minus 2 into 3 into 5 into cos of alpha. ठीक है? Okay. This is the first equation we will get here. X square is equal to 9 plus 25 minus 30 cos of alpha. This is the equation number 1 for x square. Okay. Another value of x square can also be obtained by taking another triangle, that is this one. This is DAEAE in triangle EAB. EAB. This is x. Okay, this is x. X square further can be obtained from this. This angle is alpha. It means this remaining angle, this will be 180 minus alpha. Okay, in front of this CB. CB के सामने जो एंगल है E पॉइंट पर वो आपका 180 minus alpha. Now from this is triangle is as per this triangle we can write x square. This will be equal to 3 square this arm square, 3 square plus another arm. Another arm is 5 plus 3, 8 square. This arm is this one. Okay, 8 square minus 2 into 3 into 8 into cos of 180 minus L. Okay, this will be equal to 9 plus 64 minus 2 3s are 6 4s are 6 8 the 48 into cos of minus cos of alpha. Because cos of 180 minus alpha is equal to minus cos alpha, and it will be 9 plus 64 plus 48 cos of alpha. As because cos of 180 minus alpha is equal to minus cos of alpha. ये हमें पता होना चाहिए. These all things should be known to you, otherwise you can't wait. ये 11th class में है, it should be known to you. It means x square will be equal to 9 and this is 73 plus 48 cos of alpha. Okay, cos of alpha. Okay, it means they both are equal to each other. इसको हम कर देते हैं. यहाँ से भी this is the equation number 2. cos alpha की वैल्यू आ जाएगी इसमें से. It means now subtract कर दो. This is the second number equation. This is the first number. Second minus first. X square get cancelled. We'll get here. This can also be written as 9. This can be written as 34 minus 30 cos of alpha. X square. This can also. Now, इसको जब subtract करेंगे 34. This will be right hand side, left hand side will equal to 0, will be equal to second minus this 73 minus 34 plus 48 cos alpha minus 30 cos of alpha. 33 plus 30 cos of alpha. Okay, ये हो जाएगा. That is equal to 0. It means this is equal to 78 cos of alpha, and this will be equal to plus this will be equal to the लेके आएंगे 9 39 of minus 1. It means cos of alpha, that will become minus 39 upon 78, that is minus 1 by 2. This value is obtained over here. Now we can find the value of using this value in either of this equation, either in this or in this. Every value will be same. Now putting this value, cos of alpha is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 in any of the equation, either this or that. In equation number 1, we are having No, this was the equation. Equation number was 1 was x square was equal to 34 minus 30 cos of alpha. Putting cos of alpha as minus 1 by 2. This is 34 minus 30 into minus 1 by 2. That is 34 plus 15. That is 49. That is 49. It means x will be equal to 7. X will be equal to 7. Okay? Answer x will be equal to 7 centimeter. Equal to 7 cm. This is the answer. Okay? Interesting? Very good. मजा आया होगा आपको, पसंद आया होगा आपको. क्वेश्चन करिए, लगे रहिए और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. आप मुझे मोटिवेट कीजिए, मैं आपको मोटिवेट करती हूँ. नए नए क्वेश्चन लेके आऊँगी. कंपटीशन की तैयारी कीजिए. कंपटीशन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ये है, 11th क्लास के बच्चों के लिए है. ओके, गुड नाइट, सी यू. सब्सक्राइब करना, लाइक करना, कमेंट देना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.